Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Leah here today with another unboxing video for Wild Hare kits. So funny little lead-in for you. I totally waited to open my box and filmed it, me opening it and everything brand new, and then I came to edit my video and I realized that I had clicked stop recording when I meant to click start recording because I had while I was like opening the box, I didn't think you needed to see that part, and so I didn't record any of the good part where I showed you all of the awesomeness. So I'm gonna start fresh, but I have already broken into this and I've already used some of the stuff, so I apologize that it's not the brand new, still in its package glory, but I'll do my best to show you, and then I'll show you what I made with it too, just because that'll be kind of fun. Okay, so I'll have this over here. So the first thing that came in this set is this super cute rose gold and heart washi tape. This is Freckled Fawn. Yeah, and that's the brand, and I just think it's very pretty, super metallic, and I haven't broken into this one yet, but I'm very excited about that piece. The next thing is, let's see if we can get it to focus, is the cut file. And the cut file just says enjoy today. And so when you get this cut file, you can get the file and do it on your own cutting machine, or they send you, like they did for me, the actual physical cut, and it's on like a cardstock kind of textured paper, so it's really sturdy, and I love this. I think it's super pretty, so I'm excited to find a use for that. The next thing is, actually I'm gonna save these for later. The next thing here, obviously you can see I've broken into these guys, are some alphabet stickers. These are thick, and they kind of, if you can see, they have like a peachy foam like base, and then kind of a wood texture look on the top. I think these are super cute, super great for fall. And these are by Pink Paisley, I believe. Yes. Sorry, I'm like looking in my trash can for my packaging of this. Yes, so these are Pink Paisley from their Again and Again set, and there's a couple other pieces in here that were included in my kit. And while I'm here, I guess I should mention, so I got the Petite kit this month. The Petite kit is $19.95 a month, and it's just a smaller version of the deluxe kit. I believe the deluxe kit is $39.95. Don't quote me on that. All the information you need will be down below. But so it's just a little bit smaller version, but you still get a lot of awesome goodies, as you can see, and I'll keep showing you the rest of what came in here. But the Petite kit is just a little bit of a smaller version of what you get in the deluxe kit. All right, so the next thing here are some stickers from One Canoe 2. This is their willow set, I guess. And so there's like some rose gold, and just these kind of really nice fall colors. I really am loving these. And so these are One Canoe 2, and then the rest of the stuff I'll show you is Pink Paisley. And I just love the way that they work to kind of coordinate these kits for the Wild Hare kit, because I just think like these stickers are totally a different brand and whatnot, but they just coordinate so well with what comes in the other part. So there's awesome stickers, so excited to use those. Then we have a few 6x8 papers. These are from Pink Paisley. I'm assuming there's no actual label on here, but based on some of these designs that are in the ephemera set that I got, I'm thinking they're the same thing, kind of coordinated. So they're really cute. As you can see, I've already used this one. The rainbow one is so cute. I love this. I wish I could get more of like just this paper because I love it so much. But yeah, so those are some awesome papers that came in there. And then the last thing, which is like my favorite thing, Well, I also love the stickers and the alphabet. Okay, who am I kidding? I love it all. Is the Pink Paisley Again and Again ephemera set. And this is just tons and tons of ephemera bits. I will just make a mess, kind of go through some of these for you. There's like moth or a butterfly. There's some gold accents. Just tons of pieces. There's tags. And isn't that cute? And they had the fox one. Seriously, so much goodness. Lots and lots of like tag type items, but then there's also some stuff like this, some words, good things, lovely. So all sorts of really awesome die cuts, which are just like some of my favorite things to use. And yeah, just like, this is a thick pile of ephemera. You can see like it's a lot and a lot of little pieces, so that will go really far. And then this, I think, was a piece that I cut off from another piece of paper, I'm assuming. I don't really remember now. So that's everything that came in the petite kit. Let me just move this so you can kind of see it all, which that's a lot of stuff for the price that you're paying for $19.95. So totally loving this kit. Like I said, I've already started using it, and I used it here in my mini Bible. I made a little card to stick into it, and that is this sweet little thing. I used the rainbow paper, the alphabet stickers, some of the ephemera pieces, some of the stickers from the One Canoe Chew. We've got those little plus sign sticker, cross stickers. Those are from the One Canoe Chew thing. And then this Be Still is also from that. And I just thought, oh my gosh, so cute. Like the fall colors and everything just was really speaking to me, so loved it. And I'm excited to keep using this set and see what else I can come up with. So yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching and putting up with the fact that I apparently don't know how to film videos. If you liked this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. For any information regarding getting your own kit with the Wild Hare kits, make sure you check the description box below. And for inspiration on how to use this and Bible journaling inspiration, make sure you follow us on Instagram. We post every day something new, something fun, and would love to have you join us over there. If you have any questions or comments, make sure you leave those down below, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys.